Echo, good 012 on Echo.
Sky 3494, San Francisco ground, runway 1 left, taxi via Bravo, Mike 1.
1 left 5, Bravo, Mike 1, Skyway 3494.
Check.
Good evening, Alaska 635, we're at Bravo 16 with Charlie looking for a push.
Ground United 1272 off at Echo, looking for Golf 12.
United 1272 ground, how do you hear?
United 1272, read you loud and clear.
Okay, fourth time Bravo to the ramp.
Clear to land 2 left, Skyway 3451. Swiss 39 heavy at Foxtrot, cross runway 1 left, cross runway 1 right.
All Foxtrot, cross runway 1 left, 1 right, please 39 heavy.
French Bee 85 Alpha Heavy, departure frequency 135.1.
135.1, French Bee 85 Alpha Heavy.
Southwest 3444, contact Mecca departure. Departure, Southwest 3444, take care.
Parking brake on, lights off. Check. And wave to it left, Checked.
French Bee 85 Alpha Heavy, runway 28 left, line up and late traffic, go depart north.
Line of 08, runway 28 left, French Bee 85 Alpha Heavy.
Confirm to enter, runway 28 left.
Thanks, ground to enter.
Tower, good evening guys, 1118 is going up on the bridge, on the tiptoe to it left. United 1118 at the bridge, change to runway 28 right, runway 28 right, clear to land, caution line turbulence, heavies will depart the parallel. Roger, at the bridge, we'll change to 28 right, clear to land, United 1118.
Let's take off runway.
Delta 340, hold short over runway 28 left at Echo.
Hold short, straight right at Echo, Delta 340.
Off.
Delta 2054, traffic will hold on the 28, runway 1 left, click for takeoff.
1 left, clear for takeoff, Delta 2054.
Skyway 3451, turn left at Echo, contact ground point 8. If you miss Echo, then Tango is fine.
Echo, ground point 8, Skyway 3451.
Delta 340 at Echo, cross runway 28 left, contact ground point 8, traffic will hold in position.
Okay, Echo, cross 28 left, and we'll contact ground, Delta 340. Sir.
San Francisco Tower, CS 246 Tango Juliet at 1500, so day tour, returning home. Number 246, Tango Juliet, altimeter 2986. 2986, 6 Tango Juliet.
Parking brake. Check.
French Bee 85 Alpha Heavy, runway 28 left, click for takeoff.
On the FS visual, clear right. Clear for takeoff, 28 left, French Bee 85 Alpha Heavy.
Swiss 39 Heavy, San Francisco Tower, caution light turbulence, runway 28 left, line up and wait.
28 left, line up and wait, Swiss 29 heavy.
Delta 2054, contact Mecca departure, good night.
Departure Delta 2054.
Delta 670, San Francisco Tower, caution light turbulence, heavy 777, depart parallel, runway 28 right, clear to land.
Okay, clear to land, 28 right, Delta 670.
$100 knots, check.
V1.
Rotation. Positive climb, gear up. Gear up. Autopilot 1, check. Nav. Check.
French Bee 85 Alpha Heavy, contact Mecca departure.
Norcal departure, French Bee 85 Alpha Heavy, above me.
280, Delta 2054.
Norcal departure, French Bee 85 Alpha Heavy, passing 1,100, climbing 3,000 on Santana 2.
French Bee 85 Alpha Heavy, norcal departure, radar contact.
Thrust the climb, auto thrust. Check. Flaps 1, speed checked.
Southwest 3444, proceed direct KX, maintain full level 190.
190 direct KX, Southwest 3444.
Roger, Southwest 1289, approaching 2000, climbing via candle 5.
Southwest 89, narcotic departure radar contact. I'm unrestricted, maintain 10,000.
Unrestricted to 10,000, Southwest 1289.
Delta 2054, turn left heading 160.
Left 160, Delta 2054.
Southwest 3444, do not exceed 280 now.
280 on the speed, says 3444.
Skywest 3447, connect Oakland Center 127.45.
2745, Skywest 3447.
French Bee 85 Alpha Heavy, come and maintain 5,000.
5,000 French Bee 85 Alpha.
5,000 feet.
Southwest 1289, turn left heading 210.
Heading 210, Southwest 1289. Departures on Southwest 39er Heavy, 1,000, climbing 3,000. Appreciate it. So maintain 3,000 for scientific purposes if possible.
West 39er Heavy, north kind departure radar contact.
Thank you.
Just about to see the city. Right, yes. Woodbridge.
Southwest 1289, come and maintain follow 190.
Climb level 190, Southwest 1289.
French Bee 85 Alpha Heavy, come and maintain follow 190.
Climb level 190, French Bee 85 Alpha.
19,000 feet. Checked.
SoCal Southwest 5127, 1.3 for flight 190 on the Oakland 6.
Southwest 5127, our kind departure radar contact. I'm unrestricted, but amend the altitude, maintain 5,000.
Unrestricted 5,000, Southwest 5127.
Southwest 1289, do not exceed 280 now.
No faster than 280 knots, Southwest 1289.
Southwest 3444, connect Oakland Center 127.45 at another speed.
2745, we'll be South 3444, take care.
Delta 2054, proceed direct to Susie.
Direct to Susie, Delta 2054.
Southwest 5127, climb and maintain 8,000.
I'll maintain 8,000, Southwest 5127.
Southwest 1289, clear direct to Susie.
Direct Susie, Southwest 1289.
Opvlieg. Line-up checklist.
Line-up checklist, takeoff runway.
Runway 28 left.
28 left, confirmed. Back 102.
Off.
Line-up checklist complete. Line-up. Clear for takeoff, 28 left, French Bee A5 Alpha.
Takeoff. Manflex 40 SRS runway auto thrust blue.
Check. Thrust set. Departure French Bee A5 Alpha. Departure French Bee A5 Alpha Heavy passing 1100, climbing 3000, some damage.
French Bee A5 Alpha Heavy, North Channel, departure for radar countdown.
Thrust decline, climb auto thrust blue. Flaps 1.
That's one.
Flap 0.
Up 0 now.
Checked.
At 5,000 French Bee.
5,000 feet blue.
Alpha level 1, 0.
19,000 feet.